I made it.
That's a little old. Look at that Bentley.
And we're right next to Porsche, dude.
So, you know, the day has come, man. We about to pull into the Lexus dealership. Ain't gonna have no more lights except for an engine light. That's an evap leak, and that's for my miles per gallon. So, we gonna be chilling. The thing's gonna be running mint. It's gonna sound like a beast. We're gonna see what's up.
Look at this thing. Are you kidding?
Look at tail lights. So sleek, bro.
This thing looks crazy. Look at the wheels on
Look
it,
at the
dude.
color on this. Look at the paint.
It's got sparkle to it and all. Yeah, we just got here. Going up to the Lexus dealership out here. Finally.
They got some is300.
The last part, baby. It's finally time to get it. Finish this thing up for you guys. Let's get it.
We're definitely being here a lot.
Yeah, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's supposed to be 8, right?
I think so, yeah. Not bad.
Holy shit. We're getting started. Get this. We got the oil change on the Subi right over here. The Subi's done over here. The diff just got done and the oil change. How you doing over here? You pointing the old
Last oil change is done.
Yeah, sir. Now this is the situation we got with the Lexus. So apparently the other night we were putting it on wrong. We got it all on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's been a long night, but she's together now.
Yes, sir.
It's been a long
Nice little cold
2
start.
days.
We got you hit.
We finally got an exhaust on the back of this thing.
You ready? Oh.
Sounds like she got a leak somewhere.
Back.
Yeah. These things are royal pain in the booty.
Uh.
They already heard it start up
Oh.
and it leaked.
Oh.
So we're trying to prevent the leak from continuing. But
Cool.
yeah. It's the Y pipe from the kid from Alabama. It's a little iffy. It's better than what we had, but
Yeah.
not perfect. It's tough to find a OEM brand new Y pipe for it, so.
You got him, Uppbeat? Get him. Get him.
Oh my god.
Get him. Come, get off my lawn. I'll get him with you. Let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get that bitch. They ain't fucking with us, tell him. He ain't got shit.
the time has finally reached where we're allowed to rev the car now, so hit that shit, baby.
I got you.
Well, you know we had to pull the silencer.
Look at this thing. Bye bye.
Go ahead, rev it up again.
Who said rev it up again?
Oh my god, that thing's lethal, dude.
We're in the back seat of the Lexus. Finally.
Facts.
Kind of a seat, but
Kind of a seat right now.
we're getting there.
We getting there. Sure.
Let's see how she does.
Some bare metal, baby.
Safety first. Yo, be careful. Where's Kyle at? Oh.
Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Say it, Buster.
Like, comment.
You know we make bangers every week, guys. Stay tuned. Peace.
Fuck off, dude.